Hello to all my dear students. I welcome you to the online video class of computers. Children, so far we have completed our two lessons, lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. So today in this video, I am going to start with the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, uses of computer. Okay? So, it is given on page number 20. Take out your books and be ready with your pencils. So children, as the name of this chapter is uses of computer, so we will study about the places where computers are used, and also we will study that how they are used on those places. Okay? So children, as in today's world, computer has played an important role. Okay, without computer it is not possible for us to do a lot of things. Okay, so because it makes our work easier. Okay, it saves our time. So in our day-to-day life, we are depending on the computers. Lot of work that we can do with the help of computers. Look at the situation, children. In this pandemic, the schools are not opened. Okay, you are not coming to school, but still your studies are going on. We teachers are providing you the study materials. This is only because of the technology of the computers, and computers could be a mobile phone also. It is also an electronic device. It also acts as a computer. Okay, so you can study with the help of your computer, with your mobile phone. So all of these are electronic gadgets. So they become an important part of our life. In our day-to-day life, we have to use these things. Okay, so children, as you are very small, so you must have to know that where and how do we use computers. Okay, so children, let us take out your book and let us start with the reading. Okay, we will start with the introduction part. Okay children, now, computers are very useful in our day-to-day life. They are used at many places. Computers make work easier and faster. As I've already discussed, children, computer helps in doing a lot of things. It makes our work faster, easier. It saves a lot of time. It can remember many things. We can store a lot of data inside it. So this is how a computer is very, very useful machine. It is a smart machine. Okay. So let us start with the uses of computers. We will study about the places where computers are used and also how they are used on those places. Okay. So children, take your book and start reading with me. First place where computer is used in schools. It is used to prepare the report card and keep records of students. Now children, in school, we teachers use computer to make the report cards. First, we have to arrange your numbers. Okay, so we use what? We use computers, and in computers we store your marks. Okay, your whatever marks you have scored, we store it on the computer. We do calculations, we do addition, then we do totaling, and then we do who comes first in the first. Then we have to calculate the total marks, we have to calculate the percentage, and then we know which student has come first in the class, stood first in the class. Okay, so we teachers use computer to keep your records, okay, to make your report cards. So this is how we use the computers in school. Next, it is used in the school library. Now children, school library is a place where lots of books are available. Okay, you can take any book for the help, and in library a computer is there in which that person who is sitting on that computer, it makes a record of the students, those who are taking the books, okay, those who are giving them back. So all the records and which book is available, how many books are there, so all these records of books of students, they have been maintained in that computer. So in library, in school library, computers are used to maintain the records of books as well as the students or the teachers who take those books. Okay. Next, it is used by teachers to explain a lesson in an interesting way. Now children, you all must have seen that that teachers use computers to make you understand the things in an interesting way, in an attractive way. Now suppose if I keep on talking and if I will not show you any picture over here, it becomes very boring. Okay, so what would we do? We use computers to make the students learn the new things in an interesting way. Okay, with the help of computers, we can explain you the lessons with the help of pictures, with the help of videos. Okay, so this makes the topic interesting. Okay, children. So studies, we teachers use computers to make you understand the lesson in an interactive way. Okay children, so these are the uses of computers in schools. Okay, the first use, that it is used to prepare report cards. Okay, next it is used in the library. Next it is used by the teachers to explain the chapters. Okay, now move on to page number 21. The next place where computer is used at home and entertainment. It can be used to play music and watch movies. Now children, whenever we are free at home, we are sitting idle, we have nothing to do, then what we can do? We can use computer for the entertainment purpose. Like we can play music on computer, we can dance on the music, also we can watch movies, cartoons, okay, animated movies, series, we can watch on computer. Okay, so at home it is used for the entertainment purpose. Okay, next, it can do many calculations. Now children, at home we use computer to do calculations. Calculations means addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, so we can use computer to do all these things like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So computer help us to solve our sums. Okay, next, it helps your parents to purchase many things from home. It means we can do what? Yes, we can do online shopping. Yes children, with the help of online shopping, we do online shopping with the help of what? We use mobiles also, and also we can use computers, laptops. Okay, so online shopping can also be done with the help of computers. By sitting at home, you can purchase things. The things can come to your house. You are not supposed to go out. You do not need to go out and buy the things. In this pandemic, in this situation, we are not supposed to go out of our houses for the safety purpose. Okay, so what do we do? What a lot of people do nowadays? They do what? If they want to purchase something, they do what? Online shopping. They are sitting at their home, they are opening their computer and they are doing what? Online shopping. Okay, the things can come to your door. So isn't it an interesting thing children? So computers can be used for so many purposes. Okay. Now the next use of computer is where? Railway stations and airports. It helps in booking air tickets and railway tickets. Now children, with the help of computer, like the way we do online shopping, the same way we can book our tickets of railways and of airlines. We can book it by sitting at the home. Okay, online booking we can do. Okay, we can book our tickets with the help of the computers by sitting at home only. Okay. Next, what is the use of computer in the field of railway stations and airports? It gives information about the arrival and departure timings of trains. Now children, arrival means coming time and departure means leaving time. Okay. Now, with the help of computer, we can know that what is the timing of a train or an airplane, what is the timing of leaving an airplane or a railway station. Okay, so we can see the timings, we can know about the informations of the airplanes and the trains, that when they all are coming and when they are leaving. Okay, by sitting at home. So we can do it with the help of computers. Okay children, and in railway stations and airports, the records of the airlines and the trains which are coming, which are leaving, all these records are maintained in the computer. All the timings are maintained in the computer. Okay, and we can book tickets, we can know the arrival timing, the departure timing of the trains and airplanes. So this is how a computer is used in railway stations and airports. Okay children? Now the next place where the computer is used, shops and markets. It gives information about available items in the shop. Now children, in the shop or in the malls, shopkeepers, they use computers to keep the records of the items, of the things which are available in the store. Okay, how many things, how many quantities of things are there. Okay, also they keep record of the things which the customers, which the people we are buying. Okay, how many things have been given and how much stock is left, how many things are left, how many more things are required. All these things are maintained, all these records are maintained in the computer. So shopkeepers use computers for this purpose. Okay, in shops and malls they use the computers for this purpose only, to keep the records of the items or the things which are available on the store. Okay children? Next, it is used for printing bills. Now you must have seen that whenever you go to a shop or whenever you go to a mall, you buy the things, and that shopkeeper, what it does, it it keeps the records of the things which you have bought in the computer. Okay, and then what it prints, a computer takes out a printout of what? Your bill. How much things you have bought, how many things you have purchased, all of things. It calculates the cost and it gives you what? It gives you the printing bill. Okay, so computers are used in shops and malls to calculate the amount and to give you the bills. Okay, so this is how computer is used in shops and markets by the shopkeepers, to keep the records of the items and to print the bills. Okay children? Now the next place where computer is used, in offices. It is used to type and print documents. Now children, in office, computers are used for what? It is used to type letters, to type documents, and also to take out the prints of them. Okay, so many things have to typed on the computer. So the person who is sitting in the office, what he does, he types the letters, the documents, and prints it with the help of computer. Most of the work in the offices, in every area, is done with the help of computer. Okay. It is also used for sending emails. In offices, people use computer to send emails, okay, to send or receive the messages, okay. Like nowadays you are sending your homeworks with the help of what? How can we take your homework? How can we check your homework? Okay, so with the help of emails, you are sending your homework and we are replying you back with the messages. Okay, children. So this is how in offices computers are used to type letters or documents and to send emails. Okay. So children, this is now for today in this video. Okay, we will study till this much. Rest of the part we will cover in our next video. So today we have studied about the uses of computer, the places where computers are used. Some places we have studied like in schools, home and entertainment, for the purpose of home and entertainment. Okay, in railway stations and airports, in shops and markets, and in offices. Okay, we have studied that how these computers are used in these places. Okay, so next part we will study in our next video. So children, what you will do, you will go through this chapter and you will read out this chapter. You will do the practice of reading as I have done today. Okay, so you will watch the video carefully and you will read this chapter. These 2 pages you have to read. Okay, this one and this one. Till this much we have studied in this video, so you have to read down till this much. Till these 2 pages you have to read it out. Okay children, so rest of the part we will cover in our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.